Hello, my name is Vasudevan and I am here to talk about my favorite number above 1 million, which is. Let us dive straight into the question. Why is this my favorite number? You might have heard this number somewhere else. This number is also called as the Rydberg constant. Rydberg constant is a very important part of the very famous Rydberg equation. Rydberg constant is a physical constant relating to the electromagnetic spectra of an atom. So, what exactly is Rydberg formula? In atomic physics, the Rydberg formula calculates the wavelength of a spectral line in many chemical elements. Let us first analyze the history of Rydberg formula to get the full essence of the importance of the Rydberg constant. In 1885, J. Balmer analyzed the spectral lines of hydrogen and established the following empirical relationship. Here, n is equal to 2 and m is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and so forth. This series was later named as the Balmer's series. J.R. Rydberg in 1890 modified the Balmer formula to include all spectral series of lines for the hydrogen atom. The constant involved here is described as the inverse wavelengths or frequencies of light in various series of related spectral lines, such as those emitted by hydrogen atoms. Note that the value of this constant is based on the assumption that the nucleus of the hydrogen atom emitting light is very massive compared with a single orbiting electron. Niels Bohr in 1930 deduced this constant theoretically. So, the Rydberg formula is pretty important and Rydberg constant is a very big part of it. But still, there is one more thing that makes this Rydberg constant very special. As of today, Rydberg constant is one of the most accurately measured physical constant. It is so accurate that it has a relative standard uncertainty of 2 parts in 10 raised to 12. Due to the non-perfect nature of the Bohr model, Rydberg constant cannot be directly measured at a very high accuracy from the atomic transition frequencies of hydrogen alone. Instead, the Rydberg constant is inferred from measurements of atomic transition frequencies in 3 different atoms. Those 3 atoms being hydrogen, deuterium and anti-protonic helium. Some practical things can be taken into account like finite nuclear mass and detailed theoretical calculations in the framework of quantum electrodynamics can be done to get more precise values of the Rydberg constant. For more information on the precision test of quantum electrodynamics, I'll leave a link in the description. And the most important feature of the Rydberg constant being its connection with fundamental atomic constants like E, H, Me and C. Rydberg constant was one of the most important constants in the history books because it gave its full essence for the Balmer's series and led way to Bohr's model, which in turn shaped the entire quantum mechanics in the future. So, if you have made this far into the video, thank you. I learned two things from this project. Number 1. The most important feature of Rydberg constant is the accuracy in which it is measured. And number 2, making YouTube videos isn't easy.